Here's 5 things they don't tell you about sunflower kernels when you're dieting. All right, number one, I'm supposed to eat fat at every meal. What I found doing this meal plan, and you guys know that I'm on a meal plan if you've been following my channel, is that I don't eat a lot of fat. So I need to put some fat in my diet, especially at breakfast. A lot of the breakfast foods are carbs for me, or protein. So like eggs are protein, oatmeal is carbs, cereals are carbs, that sort of thing. So if I'm not making the eggs like in butter, there's no fat. So if I'm eating a hard-boiled egg or that sort of thing. So in order to add fat, I thought I'd try, seeds, right? So that leads me to number 2. It's a good fat, because if you read the nutritional panel here, you can see out of 16 grams of fat per serving, only 1.5 of those is saturated fat. So that's pretty healthy fat. So I didn't know that. Not all seeds are the same in their content of saturated to unsaturated fats. So it turns out sunflower seeds are pretty good. All right, number 3. This is the big one, portion size, right? So on this panel right here, it says a portion size is 1/4 cup. So this is a 1/4 cup if it's filled to the rim. I did not fill it to the rim. You know why? Because it says here it's 16 grams of fat. If I did 16 grams of fat, that would be 3 of my points in fat and I only get 5 to 6 a day. So that'd be half my fat. But if I only do half, it rounds down to about 1 point. So this will count, and I'll get like 4 more servings of some kind of fat during the day. So portion size is huge, and these are very calorie dense foods. That's why birds eat them, and rabbits and squirrels, and everybody likes to eat seeds and nuts because they've got a lot of nutrients in it. And think about it, a seed is going to grow a plant, at least the beginning of it. It needs to have a lot of calories in there at first for that plant. So it makes a lot of sense. All right, that was 3. Number 4, these are cheap. They're pretty cheap. So like if I'm only going to be eating this much, and it says here there's 15 servings per container, I'm going to get 30 servings out of this container. And these cost between $3 and $4. So I'm basically spending, I don't know, somewhere around a dime per serving, maybe 15 cents. So it's pretty cost effective. And number 5, they taste good and they're small portions. So instead of eating like a big fat laden potato chip, I'm eating something this size. If I eat them one at a time, I get the taste, I get the satisfaction. I'm going to get tired of eating these like after about 10 or 12. And I'm going to go about my day. And then maybe I'm working on the computer and I come back to them and I'll still have some left for my fat allowance. So this is just the way they're shaped and the way that you eat them. So instead of eating a big spoonful of them or throwing them in a salad where you wouldn't even notice them, if you eat them individually like this, I found, for me, it's a good strategy to satiate my taste for them. If you guys have any tips out there, so that's 5 things about sunflower seeds that you may not have known. If you guys have any tips out there for me, let me know, because like I said, I'm in less than a week of this and I could use all the help I can get. So thanks for posting. Thanks for all your encouragement. You guys have been great so far. Everybody's been really helpful. So I wanted to make these videos, see if I could help somebody else. And hopefully the comment section will help a lot of people too. You guys are a great community. I love my subscribers. You guys are all so awesome and supportive. All right, well, I hope you all have a great day. Take care out there. And, yep, good luck with your meal plan. See you on the next one. I'll keep you posted on how mine's going.